Hey guys, and welcome back. This is James and I made this tutorial especially for those who are trying to build a new business online. So the first step of building a business online is to have a website. And by website I mean that you will have an interface, a domain, and a payment gateway. So this tutorial and this episode in particular is gonna talk about the first step, which is building an interface. So to have an interface, I'm going to use a website which is called VZY, and it will build your website without any effort and without much time lost using AI. So this is how VZY will look like once you visit it, and once you sign up or log in, you will head to an interface which will look like this. And to start creating a new site, you will have to click on create new site on the top right, or this one which exists in the middle of the page. And once you click on it, it will show you all the pages that you can search for a template which is related to them. So for example, if you are interested in building a portfolio, you will head to portfolio and you will find related templates. So if you are interested in all, choose all, then you will find all the templates here. And if you are interested in a specific industry, you can write it in the search box. So I'm interested, for example, in building a website in tourism because my business is in tourism. So I'm going to write tourism and then click on generate. Then it will ask me about the brand name. My brand name is Turex, and you can also give VZ some details about your website, and the more details you will give, the more specific the template will be. Now I'm just gonna leave this description and click on generate site. Here you can select the theme, which is a combination of the text style and the color code of the template. I like red, so I'm going to pick the second one. Then click on continue. Give it a couple of seconds. And here we go. So I'm not going to pause the video. I'm going to show you how much time it will exactly take to build your website. So I'm going to just leave it for now until it completes the process. So it only took few seconds to build the website successfully, and you can see that it contains more than one type of section. So in order to start editing this template, you will have two places. The first place is this left menu, and the second place is once you select a section. So in this left menu, we can see that there are some elements there, starting with pages, which shows you all the pages that your site contains. So here I have only home page. I can add a new page from the black button upward. So next section is gonna be the posts, and since I did not create a post, you will not find something here, and it's not our topic to create a post which is related to the website, so I'm going to pass it. Next is the products, and in products you can see all the integrations with VZ. Next is the design, which is the one which we created before. You can change it from here if you want. Next is the contacts. Since we did not build any contacts, it's empty. Next is the analytics, and this is in case your website is working. Here you will find the traffic and the analytics and the reaction of your audience with the website. Finally is the settings, from which you can control your products, and the site related settings, which are like the title of the website, the domain, the email which is linked to this website, and more. Now let's head back to pages and select one of the sections to start editing it. So after selecting this section, you can find that the left menu has opened two sections. The first one is the content, second one is the style. So in content, you can control all what is related to the content itself of the section. For example, the title. So if I, for example, changed the title, I wanted to remove awaits, you'll find that it has disappeared in the section. If I added it once more, it will be added. So you can also change the subtitle, the image, the videos. You can add buttons to transfer you to other section of your website. So next one is the style, and here you can control the layout of your section. So by changing the layout, you'll find that the arrangement of the text with the image changes. You can also change the image fit and fill, which will change how the image will look like inside its border. Just like that. Next, you can also change the alignment of your title, the alignment of the section itself, the height, and more options. You can also eliminate forms and images from this option. You can also control your background from there. You can change the color, so if I chose to change the color of this section alone, it will be changed and not the entire template, just this section. As you can see, it has changed to the red color while the other sections are still in white background. You can also change your text color into from light to dark, the width, and more other styling options. There is also another option that you can make and that you can edit, which is by going to the space between two different sections, you will be able to access more options. So if I just scroll down to this part and I clicked on the plus, it will allow you to add a section between these two sections, and you can also determine its type. More options will show you other options, like to move up the section, move down, to add a background, to copy the section, and more. So this is another additional option that is given by VZY, so that you can control the relationship between different sections. So once you are done, you can click on preview on the top right, so that you will see how your website will look like. This is from the point of view of a visitor, not an editor. So this is how, or this is what your visitors will see once they access your website. So if you are satisfied with how it looks, you can go back to edit on the top right, and then you can click on publish. Here you will find the plans, whether the pro or basic plans. You will find the details of each plan, and you will be able to see what you need. So unless you are willing to pay money, you will not get anything from this pro plan, because they all require paying or payment. So if you are intending to use the free version, you will head to basic, then you will go down to choose I will publish for free on the bottom. Then you will find your free domain, you can click on publish, and now you will find the link of your domain, or the domain of your website. So if we want to check if it's working or not, we will go to a new tab and paste it to see how it will look like as a visitor. So this is how it will look like, and this is how your website will appear in front of viewers. So this is pretty much it, and this is how you can build the interface of your website. So if you are interested in other additional information, like how to get a paid domain instead of this free domain, how you can get it for very cheap price, and how you can also activate your payment gateway, make sure to subscribe to our channel to receive our future content. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in more tutorials. Until then, take care and goodbye.